Hi everybody! So this Wednesday's video is going to be a little bit different. With all the social distancing going on, I figured I'd share with you guys a really fun family outing where you can definitely social distance and keep the kids busy for hours. So we went strawberry picking and we made us a strawberry cake. So here is a tutorial. All the ingredients are in the comments below. I hope you enjoy it. Cheese! Everybody say hi!
Hi!
Say welcome to Wedding Wednesday!
Wedding Wednesday!
Melanie and Gabriel, my assistants, are going to cut up 1 cup of strawberries. Okay, so you guys cut up strawberries until you fill this cup up. And Penelope is just going to eat strawberries until we fill the cup up. Right, Pen? Okay. All right. So,
Step 1. Once you've cleaned your berries and dried them off, you can go ahead and preheat your oven. Then grease your pan with butter or shortening, and then flour your pan to make sure your cake releases easily.
make sure the whole pan is coated with shortening and then flour on top.
Okay.
So how did you guys like strawberry picking?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Step 2. Cream together your butter and sugar. The secret ingredient to make every cake taste amazing is you have to dance whenever the mixer is running.
Alright, let it mix. Yeah, we can dance while it mixes up. Come on. Hey.
Turn it up.
Alright.
Step 3. Incorporate your flour, butter, and salt into your butter and sugar mixture. And you want to add this in 3 parts, alternating between your whole milk and your flour mixture.
And we're just gonna think.
Yep. Let it mix. And let it mix. And let it mix. And let it mix. I don't know what you're doing now. You're dancing? Alright. Not quite. You see it still have the flour. It's got to get in there. Alright. Let it mix. Let it mix. Let it mix. Let it mix. Let it mix.
We're back.
Alright. So now that we have all of our ingredients mixed in,
Step 4. After you've mixed all of your ingredients well, you can then stir in your strawberries and gently fold in 6 egg whites.
I'm going to give it one more stir before we put in the strawberries.
Whoa, was that?
Step 5. Pour your batter into your bunt cake pan. Be sure to gently tap the bottom of your pan on your table to release any air bubbles. Step 6. Put your cake in the oven and get ready to make your cream cheese icing.
Alright, so now we're going to make our cream cheese
Cheese.
frosting.
Crusty.
So you're going to
Step 7. Cream together your softened butter and cream cheese. Then add in your powdered sugar and your vanilla and mix it together.
All right, so we baked the cake. We baked this cake for about 35 minutes. And we put our cheese, our cream cheese icing inside of a Ziploc bag and just snipped a little hole in there so we can pipe some of our cream cheese down here. And we put this in the refrigerator because we had to take a nap and come back. So your cream cheese should be easy to spread out. So we're going to kind of use it like a piping bag. Okay, guys? You still tired, Penny? Alright, guys, watch mommy because everybody's going to get to do one. I'm going to do this one here. You see where it's a little dip right there? Alright, take your bag of icing and squeeze, 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 squeeze. Alright, Mel, your turn. Stand up, boo. Stand up. All right, hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you where to squeeze. Take your right, because you're right-handed, right? All right. Now squeeze it. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. All right, Gabe, your turn. Yay! She did it. She did it. Which part, Gabe? Okay. Squeeze. You want to try? You want to try? Don't eat the cake yet. You want to squeeze it? Squeeze it up, Pen. Squeeze! 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 Okay.
This is my mommy stuff.
Yep. All right, everybody. All right. Now for the moment of truth. Let's taste this cake. You guys ready?
Yay!
All right. Okay. Who wants the first slice?
Me, you, and me.
How about Penny first?
Yes.
All right. Here you go, little Pippin.
Here you go, Penny Pippin. Here you go, Penny Pippin.
Oh, watch out, Melly girl. Watch out, baby.
Good baby.
Baby.
What?
Melanie.
My napkin. My napkin.
There you are.
Yay.
Here you go, Gaby. Okay. Excuse you. What do you think, Pen? Baby.
What do you think? What do you think, Mom?
Oh, I haven't tried it yet. You guys some first. And can you guys see that? Can y'all see where those strawberry bits are on top there? Or chunks, rather. It's supposed to be this. Turn it to be more chunky. Thanks to my assistants. Showing them now. Good job. What do you think, guys?
Good.
Let me taste it. Good job. High five, Melanie. High five, Gabe. High five, Penny Boo. I'm gonna high five your head. Alright. Well, that is it. Cake turned out pretty successful.
Can we do strawberry cake?
That's what we just did. What would you like to say to Mommy's friends?
Good night. Thank you.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Say
watching.
see you next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
Go away, Gabe. Say bye.
Bye.
Wait, Pin Pin. Say bye. Say bye.
Mommy, I want more cupcakes.
You mean you want more frosting?
Yeah.
How about you, Bill? How
Look at
many
yourself.
strawberries did you pick?
Look at yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
7, 8, 9.
Just cut the strawberries.
Melly.
I think Melanie's preoccupied.
Eating?
Yes.
Strawberry? Melly, can you give me that big strawberry so I can eat it? Yep.
Get one for Penny too, because she's about to fight Gabe. Penelope! Penelope! That's not nice. That's not nice. No, thank you, Penny.
We'll go for free now.
What do you say, Pen?
So that and this.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Just one piece at a time.
Alright, everybody just get a little. Just a little. There's raw eggs in it. I don't want the people to go in on me. We all know we used to eat cake batter with raw eggs in it. I just
good.
I want to say that.
This is good, right, Mom?
I actually enjoy cake batter, so yes. Okay. Cheese.
Cheese.
Alright. Alright. Penny, stop. Okay. Melanie. Stop. Alright, let me go. Okay, that's enough. Open